Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this stylish 108 collection. So this car is a pre-registered vehicle that comes with 15-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, and there's a colour reversing camera. Inside the car, the touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get air conditioning, automatic headlights and a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1 litre petrol engine that gives you 72 horsepower. It's done less than 10 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. Thank you.